In this video, you'll learn how to get started with Google Ads. We'll begin by covering the most important concepts you need to understand before running ads, and then I'll show you how to create a new Google Ads account so everything is set up correctly from the start. We're focusing on search campaigns because they're the best place to begin. Search ads allow you to reach people who are actively searching for products or services like yours, which makes them a practical and effective option when you're getting started. When it comes to running successful search campaigns, there are three core elements you always want to keep in mind. These are the keywords you target, the ads you show, and your landing pages. These three elements work together, and getting them right makes a big difference to performance. Okay, let's head to Google and take a look at how this works. Let's search for Fitness Class Sydney. And we're now looking at the search results. At the top of the search results, we can see some ads. These are from advertisers promoting their offers using Google Ads. So when you create your Google Ads campaign in a moment, you will also have the opportunity to show your ads on Google search results. At this stage, I want you to think about the keyword that we searched for. So Fitness Class Sydney for this example. And then I want you to think about how well each of these ads relates to the keyword. Do they closely relate? Are they relevant or not? If we click on one of these ads, we will then be taken to the advertiser's landing page. This should closely relate to the ad and the keyword that we searched for. So as you begin advertising, I want you to think about these three elements for your own campaign: the keyword, the ad, and the landing page. The better the relationship between these three elements, the better the performance of your campaigns. Now, the way Google Ads works is that advertisers compete to be displayed in the paid results as people are searching. Google uses a number of factors to determine where the different advertisers are placed in these paid results. This includes a quality component, so the relationship between the elements we've touched on, and the amount each advertiser is willing to pay for a click. And as we set up our campaign in a moment, we'll cover important settings and recommendations you can use to get the best results from your ads. Okay, now that we've covered important foundations for your campaign and how Google Ads works, it's time to set up our Google Ads account. To create our account, we start by heading to google.com/ads. And let's click Start Now. You'll need to log into your Google account to create your new Google Ads account and campaign. This could be your Gmail address, your Google Workspace address, or the login you use for Google. For the login I've used, I already have access to a couple of existing Google Ads accounts. If you are advertising different businesses, then you should create separate accounts for each business, just like I have separate accounts. If you're just getting started for the first time, you won't see this step. You'll actually skip straight to the next step. But since I do have other Google Ads accounts, I'm going to select the option to create a new account. We're now shown the steps we need to take to create our first campaign. We click the button to create our campaign. It's optional, but let's enter the name of our business. And now we need to enter a URL on our website, our business phone number, or select our app. We're going to enter a URL on our website, and this should be the page we want people to land on when they click our ad. And let's click Next. Google Ads will scan our website and automatically describe our offer and identify products and services. You can take time to adjust these as they will be used to customize the campaign. I'm going to leave the defaults, and let's click Next. If you have access to other Google products like your Google Business Profile or your YouTube channel, you'll see the option to link these products. I'm going to leave these selected, but you can also link them after you've created your account. And let's click Next. We're now prompted to link Google Analytics with our new Google Ads account. If you have access to multiple Google Analytics properties, you will need to select the correct property. And if you're not sure, then I suggest skipping this step because you can link Google Analytics later. I'm going to leave the property selected, and let's click the button to link the accounts. We're prompted to create our first campaign. We can see the first step is to choose a goal, so our campaign objective. You can follow these steps to define a goal and set up your campaign. However, I recommend creating your campaign after you've created your account. So let's click the small link at the bottom that says Set up an account only. Now we need to select our country for billing, time zone, and currency. And let's click Continue. We need to confirm our country and time zone. We can enter a promo code if we have one, and select our payment options for our new account. We also need to choose if we want help with our campaign and special offers. And then we click Submit. We've now created our Google Ads account, so let's click Continue. Now we need to provide details about our organization. If we're going to manage accounts for clients, then we need to select Yes, even if you're using this account to advertise your own services. Or if you're not going to be managing multiple accounts for other people, you can select No. Then we need to choose if the account we've created is for our agency or a client. Then we click Save and Continue. We're now taken to our new Google Ads account and we can explore the account. You will use your account to create and manage all of your campaigns. You can use campaigns in Google Ads a bit like folders. They let you organize your ads and the targeting you will use for your ads. Imagine you sell cameras online. You might create one campaign to advertise your Canon cameras and another campaign to advertise your Sony cameras. Or maybe you have one campaign to advertise to people searching on Google and another campaign to promote one of your videos on YouTube. Campaigns in Google Ads provide a flexible structure you can use based on what you're promoting and the targeting you want to use. We will cover this in more detail in a future video. If you'd like to learn even more about Google Ads and how to set up your campaigns, please check that you've subscribed to this channel because I will be releasing more tutorials. In the next video, we'll cover how to create your first campaign and important settings you can use to control the amount you spend on Google Ads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.